Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So whenever you launch Adobe Photoshop 2024 on your Windows computer, whenever you try to launch and if you're receiving this error, that is VCRUNTIME140.dll or MSVCP140.dll. So if you're receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. To fix it, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Now over here you can see Visual Studio 2015, 17, 19 and 22. Download x86 and download x64. Download both the file. So click on x86 and run this exe file. Now if you see the repair option, click on repair. You might see the install option. So if you see install, click on install. If you see repair, click on repair. Click on yes to allow. And then download this x64 file as well. Again, if you see the repair option, click on repair. If you see the install option, click on install, click on yes to allow, and let the installation complete. Make sure both the files are installed. Now once both are installed, now click on restart. So restart is a must. So you can restart the computer, and after the system restart, you can try launching Photoshop 2024 and you should be able to launch it successfully on your Windows computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.